Okay, we're gonna move on to the giraffe. I'm using the medium shade brown and the lemon yellow. Okay, so we need 4 balls. 1. Okay, so for this, you just take this and it's basically a ball. Just take your finger and go once or twice. Make it more that shape, but then what I do is I actually stand that up. Okay, do the same thing here. It's a ball. Take your finger and just go once or twice, then stand that up. Put it right behind there. They're all touching right next to each other. Like this. Now the front, this is going to be the front. The front, that's the only one that you actually have to put 2 little lines on like this and like this. Now the hooves right now, they might seem like they're kind of tall, but once we put the yellow and everything on, they're going to sink down just a little bit. Okay, so for the little legs, we need the same thing. We need 4 balls, approximately the same size. And what you can do, if you prefer, you can actually roll your fondant into a cord. And sometimes it's easier to get them all the same size this way. Just cut one, put it right next to it, another one, and they'll be similar in size. So again, a ball, go back and forth once or twice, pop that right on top. Pop that on. Okay. All right, now at this point, to pick this up, I use this artist palette thing because it gets right under it. See how I can pick it up really easily and move it? So I want to take some spaghetti at this point and put 4 pieces of spaghetti in here. But I angle them towards the middle. If I have them straight up, then when I put the body on, they might actually stick out of the front of the body. See how I'm angling them all kind of inward a little bit? Okay, so the next step is the body, which is a cone. But we start with a large ball. Then for the big cones, remember we put our hands in a V shape and start to roll like this. Now if I keep doing it, I can see how I'm making it a little bit longer. Like this. And then take your fingers and just kind of twist it a little bit more there. And then I bend it because this is the shape we want, so I'm just bending it a little bit like this. Okay. Alright. So then I place it right over the top here. And I'm thinking it might be a little small, but let me put it on first and see. So I want this back and kind of support this a little bit. Show it to you from the side. Actually, that's pretty good. From the side. Then what I want to do is take the piece of spaghetti and place it right, you have to support this when you do this, place it right through the center. And you don't want it to come out here. You don't want it to come out here, so it's got to be kind of at an angle. Okay, then for the head, again it's a cone. Okay, and then cone, just once or twice this way. Okay, so that's the head, just like that. Place that over the spaghetti. And then I usually like to kind of cock his head either to the right or to the left a little bit, not have it straight on. And then this part, you take the scissors, place it right in here and cut, and that opens up the mouth.